and welcome back to our channel. I hope all of you are doing great. Well, in today's video, I will be talking about all the restrictions and policies that are given to us by the government for the tourists to follow, especially for all those of you who are planning to come down in the month of January. So I will be giving you complete information and everything that you need to know in this video. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also do hit on that bell icon to get notified, because I currently live in Goa and I make videos on places that you should visit. I make videos on some of the best restaurants that you should be eating at. And if you're confused, head to my channel. There's loads of videos that I've already made, so do go check them out. So currently the COVID cases are increasing steadily. It used to be around 2 digits every day, between like 19, 20, 21 cases. But at this point in time, we're seeing a surge, and there is, cases that are increasing to about 300. It's 3 digit as of now. So due to which the government is taking few restrictions, and at this point in time, Goa has seen just 1 Omicron case so far. So the next thing is about precautionary measures that the government is currently taking. So first things first, for all those of you who are foreigners traveling from outside entering into Goa, you will be tested on arrival. Even for the high risk or no risk countries as well, irrespective of wherever you are from, you will be tested. And the price for the test is around 1,500 per head. And for all those of you who are traveling from within India, the local tourists, you will have to have your double vaccination certificate on arrival. Or if you are not fully vaccinated, then you will need to have a COVID negative certificate, which is approved by an ICMR center. Okay, so getting to the big news is about the partial lockdown or the restrictions that Goa has at this point in time. So from today onwards, we will have everything which is closed from 11 p.m. In the night right until 6 a.m. in the morning. So we have a night curfew that is being imposed, which everyone needs to strictly adhere to. However, schools and colleges and all of this will be closed, as the government is only allowed for them to operate via online. So this is the only restrictions that Goa sees at this point in time with regards to tourists, and besides this, there's nothing else that you should be concerned about. And also for the locals here, there will be restrictions in the number of gatherings that happens indoors as well. So the night curfew will continue to happen till the 26th of January. So we will have another update before the 26th of January as to, to see what is the next steps and whether or not these curfew or restrictions will be relaxed or whether they will continue to be imposed. So stay tuned and subscribe to the channel so that you keep getting such updates on a regular basis. So if you like this content for today, do give it a big thumbs up and also do subscribe. Until we meet again in my next, bye for now.